Hey guys, welcome to Subtle Answers. My name is Chris, and if you want to be like them in the picture, a happy couple sleeping, then stick around because I'm going to teach you how to stop snoring with a very amazing item that I found on Amazon called the Intelliguard Pro. But first, please listen to me snoring right now. Without the mouthpiece on, I snore about 2 hours and 3 minutes. And this is a cool app that gives me data and statistics of my sleeping patterns. This is a few days after I order and use the mouthpiece. I decrease my snoring time to 3 minutes. Isn't that freaking awesome? 3 minutes of snoring time versus 2 hours. And just want to mark the date. It's June 19th, and this is a few days after, right? This won't stop you and prevent you from snoring 100%, but it will help you get a better night's sleep. Hey guys, welcome back. So you heard me snoring, and now I'm going to talk to you about how I stopped it. Boom, it's called the Intelliguard Pro. Designed in the US. I got this on Amazon for about this much. So a little backstory on why I got this is because, very simply, I'm 29 and I snore. So being this age and snoring already, it's super unattractive. It's not sexy at all. And I'm also robbing my girlfriend's right to good night's sleep. But most importantly, I'm robbing my own right to sleep. Do some research, look on Google, you'll see that snoring is extremely bad for your health because number one, you're not getting enough air through your brain, and two, it can lead to a lot of complications in the future. Just a little look outside the box. BPA free. I have no idea what that means. If it didn't work for you, it's 30 days, no hassle, no questions asked, money back guarantee. That's what I really liked about it, because they are so confident in their product. I was like, okay, let's do this. I'm going to stop my snoring forever and let my girlfriend sleep well. Taking a look at the backside of the box, this is what it says. Ready for a peaceful night's sleep for everyone? More effective than surgery for normalizing sleep and eliminating bruxism. Don't even know if I'm saying that correct, but this is when you're grinding your teeth at night and it creates this dreadful sound. Non-toxic and hypoallergenic. Great things so you won't die from it, basically. Okay, and it says it's an antibacterial storage container. Not really sure about that, but I wash mine every day and after every use. This is the goal, guys. Let's start sleeping better. So, opening the box, this is what it comes with. It comes with a case, a few instruction manuals, and also a complimentary mouthpiece. You just need to do a review, you get a complimentary mouthpiece. I didn't claim mine yet, but before opening it, before you do anything, go to this website. It's called snoreeliminatorpro.com. This gives you all of the instruction on how to set your mouthpiece custom to your mouth. So how to use this weird contraption. So basically you put it in your mouth, you bite on it, and you pray that it doesn't come out in the middle of the night, and you stop snoring. But more in detail, out of the box you get it unmolded. So it shouldn't have mold marks. If not, someone has used that. Return it immediately. Don't get sick. That's just gross. Anyways, if when you get it unmolded, what you have to do is go on the website. I'll put a link down below. You go to the website, you follow the directions. Basically, you put it in boiling water for a minute or so. More details on the specific time. You take it out, and then this rubber part becomes soft and moldable. Before putting it in your mouth, don't put it in your mouth while it's hot, because you'll just burn your gums and just mess up your mouth. So you put it in cold water just for a few seconds. You take it out, and after it's still moldable, but it's less hot. You can bite down, and it tells you to bite down and suck. So what this does, it creates a vacuum to mold this rubber onto your gums. So it's a really custom built mold. Sorry, I can't speak English. It's a custom mold that fits perfectly to your mouth if you do it right. If you mess up, you can do this, I think, 1 or 2 more times until it starts getting I think this starts losing its molding abilities. But yes, it's a custom mold, and I read online that custom molds, if done at a dentist or a professional, can be super expensive, ranging from the hundreds to thousands of dollars. I may be overinflating that, but this is about 20 bucks. What can beat this? I've seen stuff like this in the 60s and hundreds, but I got the Intelliguard because of their reviews and how cheap it was. There may be more comfortable ones out there, but I suggest just trying this because it's so cheap. If you lose it, if you break it, you can just buy another one. And I'm notorious for breaking things, so I want something that's almost disposable, but I can use very often. I've been using this for 3 weeks now, and it's been serving its purpose. It's not wearing down yet. This rubber thing is pretty durable. Probably if I take out a chunk, it will come out, but if I use it as it normally is supposed to be used, it will help me stop snoring. So the great thing about this is that you can adjust it. So basically, you put this in your mouth and you use this little thing as a key to open it. It makes it easy to open. But honestly, I just break it up, put it back together. I'm probably messing it up, but basically what this does is that if look at it, this is perfectly, not perfectly straight, but it's straight with the jaw not extended out. But what this does is it forces your jaw to extend out, thus changing the position of your mouth, thus changing the position of your airways. And supposedly with your jaw out, you're able to breathe much better. Try it out. Try from the normal at first, and every day push your jaw out in increments, because holy crap, this is super uncomfortable. If you start from here, you're not gonna sleep. I guarantee that you're not going to. You're gonna hate using this and just throw it away, because that's how I felt. So start small. That's my big tip. Start small and work your way until you feel that you don't snore anymore. But use any app that tracks your snoring. It records when you make noises. Super easy to use. You just press a button and it records everything you do when you're sleeping, and it doesn't waste too much battery. It won't stop you from snoring, but it will definitely increase the quality of your sleep tremendously. And I seriously believe in this product, and that this will help a lot of couples have better sleep and be happy. And that's why I'm doing this, to share the good word and spread it all over the world that Intelliguard is freaking awesome. With that said, the Intelliguard Pro is a great choice for people who are looking to stop their snoring. How to get this item is you go down to the description, you click on the affiliate link, and it'll lead you to Amazon. You can make your decision to buy or not buy, but please do your research, do your due diligence, read reviews, look at the bad, look at the good. But seriously, they claim that they give you money back guarantee. So go ahead guys, try this product, and whatever you buy helps the channel and it helps me spread more information like this. If you like this video and if you like the Intelliguard Pro, please click the like button, hit the subscribe, and help us change the world by reviewing non-BS amazing products that actually work. Just a disclaimer, I do not own this. I am only a crusader of this product because it worked for me, and I know that it will work for many others as well. Thank you so much, and peace out. See you soon. Several answers in the house.